Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PLUG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very rough day on this one. Big movement to the downside, although at least the price has now started to consolidate out, which makes for a little bit more of an interesting situation and setup moving forward. And we'll start all this off with the key level to watch is right here at 1490. Nothing fancy or complicated behind that at all, other than the fact of that's just simply where the bleeding essentially stopped. Now, I realize the price did technically go down a little bit below it. But after that, you can see that the price just did a good job of holding above that level. Because as of right now, it does make sense. It's rational to think maybe this is some sort of bottom. Why is that rational? Well, for the simple reason, well, at least the price is going sideways. Case in point, let's just say that the price was still dropping and dropping and dropping. And then I was sitting here saying, hey, it's looking like this could be the bottom. You'd be totally justified to say, what are you talking about? Based on what? The price is literally going down and dropping. But that's not the case here, right? It's at least started to go sideways. Now, does that mean it's a guaranteed bottom? Of course not. Does that mean it's a rational way of thinking that it could be the bottom? Yeah, that's a more than a rational thought. But that is also why 1490 now is very important, because if the price just blasts down through 1490, well, then at that point, it's looking like this is not any sort of bottom that's forming, because now all of a sudden the price is at newer lows. So that's going to be a very important level for that reason. And in the event the price does start to bounce, which again looks possible, I mean, with all the sideways price action that it's had, but if it does bounce, first key area of resistance to keep an eye on going to be right up there at $15.35. And then after $15.35, next key level after that, right up there around the $15.55 mark. And if the price can get above those areas, I mean, there would still be more work that needs to be done. But I think that would really give the price a good, legitimate shot at making it an even bigger move. But it's got to, go against the trend here a little bit and try to break up through those levels. But if it can have enough strength to do that, then I think, it could have enough strength to just continue to build from that point forward. But let's see how this one continues to play out moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.